So we are on deck 6 of Marella Discovery in a balcony cabin. As you know, I always like a balcony if possible. Okay, so let's start. That's pretty much usual, I think, with the bathroom. You'll notice a new rack there for what we've bought for our toiletries. Fantastic. So, stepping into the bathroom. Okay, let's have a look. First of all, the shower. Oop, there we go. So you've got your shower, not the strongest, I have to say. Not the strongest shower at all. Alright, obviously a place there to put your toiletries. There is something to hold on to, save you falling or slipping. But it's a decent sized shower, no problem whatsoever there. And of course the glass door, which is always a plus. So looking round, you've got your towels, okay there, your sink, and also we've got a little mirror there to pull out. There we go. Alright, let's pop that back. Little shelving, bits of shelving there. Okay, let's have a look. Little bits there, and underneath the sink we've got, that was the bin, we've got some shelves, a little bit of shelving there if you want it, as he slams it. Some little odd shaped cupboards, let's say, or cubby space. Very odd shaped. I don't know what you'd actually get in there, to be quite honest. You're not going to fall down in here because you've got little handles everywhere. If we go up there, we've got a shelf there, shelving down there, very small one there, okay, and shelving at the bottom. So you've got enough space to put your bits and pieces in. It's not a bad space at all. It's been really good for us. There hasn't been any issues whatsoever, to be quite honest, so no problem. So that's the bathroom. Let's pop out into the room itself, and coming out into the room you'll see there's quite a lot of hanging space. Plenty of hanging space actually, and a little bit more there. Shelf, you can put bits and pieces. I've got some shorts on there, and the safe, small safe, just enough to get your documents in. Alright, but that's probably all you need, to be quite honest. And looking up there you'll see and notice there are quite a lot of little cupboards. So once again, as I say, be a bit creative and you can maximise those. You've got the shoes and things in that one, so just something to bear in mind. You've got 4 drawers there, quite deep. Plenty of room there actually in those drawers. 4 of those. Moving along, and then once again you've got some little cupboards there. We've got the hair dryer, and that's absolutely really powerful. So no, it's really good. That found that really good. About 2 seconds and you've dried your hair. Underneath we've got a light there, the vanity unit or work unit, whichever you want to call it, workspace, with a chair to sit at, and of course those pool towels. Make sure that you leave them here, because otherwise they're going to charge you £10. Alright, switches down there. We have got we've got one USB-C, we've got a 3-pin plug, and we've got a HDMI socket as well, and we've got our new plug to use rather than the, if you've seen some of my other reviews, you'll have seen the old cube I used to use, but no, we've gone a bit up market now. Right, and of course you've got your bin there, and of course if you want some ice, literally just ask your cabin steward and they'll make sure you get ice. If you want it twice a day, once a day, no problem at all. Alright, we've got, yeah, another little cupboard with various bits and pieces in there. You've got your carafe to get water from the water machine. You've got a 3-pin plug there with your coffee and tea making facilities. Yorkshire tea, Nescafe coffee, that'll do for me, it's good, no problem. You see you've got a little another drawer there, okay, and also at the bottom you've got another drawer. So it's all a sort of little cupboard, it's all little cupboards, noticed. Yeah, you can put some bits and pieces there. So looking here, we've got 2 deep drawers, and once again we've got that HDMI socket, and we've also got USB-C and a 3-pin plug there as well. Plus of course you've got your lamp. Little bit of art on the walls, quite nice actually. I think the decor is really nice and relaxing. Looking round, yeah, you've got our calendar as usual, which we always print out using those hooks, the magnetic hooks. Then we can see where we're going each day, etc., and write things on there. Always comes in handy. TV. Now when I first saw this I thought, oh, very small, because we've been quite used to having large TVs, but really it's been fine. No problem at all as regards the size. It's been ideal, so no problem there. Bed, it's certainly large enough. We've actually asked for an extra topper to, and we had that put on just to give it that bit extra comfort, and it's been very comfortable. Once again, no issues there whatsoever. Let's move around, getting closer to my favourite bit, the balcony. So if we walk along here, we have got the light, as I've said. We have got there, which is the same on the other side, a 3-pin plug. Sorry, no, not a 3-pin plug. We have got USB-C, and we've also got HDMI there as well. And you've got your lights. A nice little strip there. Very relaxing in the evening. Okay, so looking back into the room, it's not bad at all. It's been very comfortable. Very comfortable. I thought to start with it might have been a little bit on the small side, snug side let's say, but no, not a problem there. It's been good. There is the full-length mirror. Of course, one of the beauties of having a balcony cabin, that's what you wake up to. So that's pillow view from my pillow, but it's lovely. I do love a balcony. Okay, well, that's warm. You get the warm air. Okay, so the balcony, not a bad size at all. You've got your 2 chairs and the table, and the chairs are really good because they're padded, so makes it even give that little bit extra comfort. I like that. It's good. So good sized balcony, and look at that view. You could sit there, glass of wine, cup of coffee, relax. Can't beat that balcony. Okay, so let's go back in. Let's see if I slam the door as I usually do. I'll try not to, of course. Oh, failed. Okay. So there we go. Back into the room. So good sized room. Not a problem, as I say, not where I thought to start with. We've unpacked, which I think is quite useful. I've done that before on a couple of reviews. It just gives you that, so you know basically what you can store and what you know, true picture of the storage sort of thing. And that's probably, I think, probably a better way of doing my reviews. Under the bed, there is room for those large suitcases, which helps tremendously. We've got the phone with all the numbers and things on that you're going to need, and you've got to have that air conditioning on cold. The air conditioning's worked quite well, there hasn't been a problem either. And your light switches. And there we go for our muster station details, where we've got to go, of course. Those are the little cards that you pop into the card slot on the door, just to tell the room steward if you want your room making up or not. There we go. Pop those back. Oops, I'll get that later. So that's our room, our balcony cabin on deck 6 of Marella Discovery.